Hi there, welcome back to Inner Sun. My name is Melanie, and today's class is going to be a relaxation class. We're going to be stretching our body from our head to our toes. This class is perfect for all levels. If you have been sitting down at the desk for a long period of time and need some stretching, this class is perfectly sequenced for you. So let's get started. Start by sitting comfortably on your mat or on the floor and close the eyes. Lengthen through the spine and have the crown of your head reaching towards the sky while the bottom of your spine reaching towards the floor underneath you. Roll the shoulders back away from the ears and come back to the natural rhythm of your breath. Slowly blink the eyes open. Next, we're gonna stretch our wrist first. So go ahead and rotate them clockwise and counterclockwise direction and use all of your fingers and have them move with you. From here, we're gonna stretch our shoulders. So bring your palms up towards the sky. Inhale here and exhale, round it back. Come down. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale down. One more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now go ahead and switch directions. So inhale back up. Exhale forward. Two more. Inhale back up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. From here, place your right palms on the floor, left fingertips overhead. Keep a micro bend on your right elbow so your ear is away from your shoulder. Deep breaths here and feel the stretch on the entire left side of the body. Bring yourself back to center and switch. Left palms on the floor, right fingertips overhead. Deep breaths. Slowly bring yourself back to center. From here, we're going to interlace our fingertips just like that and place it behind your skull. On the inhale, you're going to lift your chest up, open up your elbows. And then on the exhale, bring the head, come down, and bring the elbow towards each other. Inhale it back up, lift the chest up. Exhale down. One more. Inhale up. And lengthen through the exhale when you come down. Release your hands. Bring your head back to neutral. And place your palms on top of your thighs. From here, we're gonna do a seated spinal rotation. So rotate your spine 360 degrees for a counterclockwise direction. Move with the breath and move in a big circle. One more this side. Back to center and switch direction. Move your whole body with you. All right, let's get back up and on all four. So get on all four for neutral back. Make sure that your palms are directly underneath your shoulders and your knees directly underneath your hips. We're gonna do some rounds of cat-cow. So on the inhale, you're gonna drop the belly and look up for cow. Exhale for cat pose. Round the spine and look down. Inhale up, drop the belly. Exhale, curl the tailbone down for cat pose. 3 more on your own pace. Synchronize the breath with movement. From here, walk your hands in front of you and start by dropping your chest towards the floor for a cobra pose. If your low back is bugging you today, go ahead and get on Sphinx pose. So, Sphinx pose, your forearms are all on the mat. Relax the back of your neck and lift your chest up. Deep breaths here. Slowly come down. From here, we're gonna tuck our toes under. We're gonna do a dynamic movement from child's pose to cobra. So go ahead and go to child's pose now. On the inhale, slide your chest forward. Drop the knees and the hips down. And then back to child's pose on exhale. Inhale, slide the chest forward for cobra. Exhale, back to child's pose. Inhale forward. And then exhale. And we're gonna rest in child's pose. So bring the knees wide, big toes together, and bring the head towards the floor. And slowly raise the head up, raise the chest up. Slowly walk your hands towards your body more. From here, tuck your toes under. We're gonna stretch our toes. So slowly walk your hands towards your knees. If this is enough for you, go ahead and stay here. Otherwise, if you want more of a deeper stretch, place your palms on top of your thighs. Remember to breathe. From here, we're gonna do a counter stretch. So untuck your toes, place your palms next to your side, and lift your knees up about 2 inches off of the floor. Now go ahead and release the knees back on the floor. Get back on all four, and we're gonna do hip rotation. So step the left foot forward. Place your palms on the inside of your front big toe. And go ahead and Make a big circle with your hips, 360 degrees to the left. Deep breaths here. Go ahead and rotate clockwise direction. Go ahead and switch legs. So bring the front leg back and place the right foot forward. Make big circles, 360 degrees with your hips. This is a really good mobility exercise to bring flexibility to the hip flexor and our low back. Now go ahead and switch direction. Bring the leg back and go ahead and sit on your mat. From here, we're gonna do a seated butterfly. So have your feet together. On the inhale, straighten the spine. Exhale, fold forward. And bring the chin down towards the chest. Only fold as much as it feels comfortable for your back today. And slowly rise back up and go ahead and lay down on your back. From here, we're gonna do happy baby. So grab either your ankles or your feet with your hands. Make sure that your feet is parallel towards the ceiling. Maybe rock your body side to side to massage your spine. Relax the back of your neck and release the jaws. From here, hug the knees in front of your chest and drop both knees towards your left side. Tee your arms out. And if your neck allows today, go ahead and gaze towards the right palms. Deep breaths here. And go ahead and switch sides, so bring yourself back to center and drop the knees towards the right floor. And gaze towards the left palm if that feels comfortable on your neck today. Slowly bring yourself back to center for our final resting pose, Savasana. So extend both feet in front of you, your palms facing up next to your body. And allow your body to release and relax. I'm gonna leave you here in Savasana. So rest as much as you would like in this pose. Thank you for practicing self-care with me today. And I will see you in the next yoga video. Namaste.